Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a gardening essential that's been making waves. The Vivosun 5-pack 5-gallon grow bags. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these grow bags are designed to elevate your gardening game. These Vivosun grow bags are crafted from 300 grams of thickened non-woven fabric, ensuring durability and breathability for your plants. Unlike traditional pots, they offer excellent drainage, preventing waterlogging and promoting healthier root growth. Made from sturdy non-woven fabric, these bags are BPA-free and designed to last. The reinforced handles are sewn with Surger stitches, making them strong enough to carry even when filled with soil. Ideal for preventing root circling, these bags support proper root pruning and trimming, extending their usability over multiple growing seasons. The breathable fabric allows roots to breathe, enhancing nutrient uptake and overall plant health. Lightweight yet durable, they're easy to move around your garden or balcony, providing flexibility in plant placement. To sum it up, the Vivosun 5-pack 5-gallon grow bags are a must-have for any gardener looking to optimize plant health and growth. Their durable construction, effective drainage, and ease of use make them a standout choice in the market today. If you're interested in upgrading your gardening setup, check out the link in the description for more details on where to get your own Vivosun 5-gallon grow bags. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!